13, winner of Mikey Fest Singing Competition 2022, first runners-up of Mati Kerang Hornbill Solo Singing Competition, Miss Sentien Kichu, a singer-songwriter, is known for her innovative blend of punk, jazz, and classic rock. She has captivated audiences with her powerful and vibrant voice and introspective performances. Her debut single, Heavenly Gift, was released on 2022, available on all music platforms such as Spotify, Apple Music, etc. So without further ado, Miss Sentien Kichu, the stage is all yours.
Hey, good evening, everyone. How is everyone feeling so far? I myself, I'm very overwhelmed and I don't know, taken aback because everybody's saying classical, I think, by all the wonderful singers here. Acha, mongsuner ay mongsunang nasnaway. Thank you so much. Nile tani go longchang gimgo chabatumaga. First song, ninglan nga go. Have you ever seen the rain? Let's all sing together. Have you ever seen the rain? Yeah. Someone told me long ago there's a calm before a storm. Well, I know it's been coming for some time. When it's over, so they say, it will rain a sunny day. Well, I know, shining down like water. Everyone, well, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Coming down on a sunny day. Yesterday and days before, sun is cold and rain is hot. Well, I know, been that way for all my time. Through forever on it goes, through the circles fast and slow. I know, well, it can't stop, I wonder. Well, I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Coming down on a sunny day. Yeah. Well, I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Rain coming down on a sunny day. Thank you.